Swadika, my name is Pinky and welcome to Thai Kru. Believe it or not, banking in Thailand is surprisingly modern. Yes, when you go to Thailand, you can use modern ways to pay for things. Don't think that only cash is good. Today, I'll show you tips to pay in Thailand. Whether you're staying there or just visiting, it's important to know how to manage your money. Before anything else, make sure to subscribe to Thai Kru channel so we can get more of these helpful videos for you. Avoid currency exchange shop. When you go to Thailand, it's better to not bring too much cash. People think it's safer, but it's not. You may have to visit the currency exchange place a lot, and carrying a lot of cash is not safe. Even though here is generally safe, but it's better to be careful. Instead of cash, it's a good idea to have 2 credit or debit cards. If you have more, put them in different bags or places. Keep one at your hotel and carry one with you. This way, if you lose one, you still have another one to use. It's safer and more convenient way to manage your money in Thailand. Dealing with ATMs. Using ATM in Thailand is easy because they're everywhere. You can get good exchange rate at ATM, which are usually better than currency exchange shop. But remember, there might be fees when you use ATMs. Some banks may give you back these fees, so check with your bank to avoid paying fees many times. Take out enough money for a few days at once. This way, you can minimize the fee and have enough cash on hand. It's a smart way to deal with ATMs in Thailand. Paying with debit or credit cards, you can use international credit and debit cards at most stores in Thailand. MasterCard and Visa are accepted everywhere, making it convenient for you. However, be careful, as some stores may add extra fees when you use credit card. It's always good to check before making a purchase. Using a credit card usually gives you a good exchange rate, and the fees are usually not too high. So, enjoy the convenience of using the card and keep an eye out for an extra changes some stores may add. It's smart way to shop and pay in Thailand. Digital payment apps in Thailand: PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App. Most of these digital payments are widely accepted in Thailand, mainly functioning for international transactions. Locally, it's rare to find merchants accepting these apps due to the efficiency of Thai banking transfer system. With instant transfer and no fees between local accounts, having Thai bank account allows you to pay anyone from taxi drivers to street vendors. Using the banking app, the widespread of the local banking system make the use of this international payments app unnecessary for a day-to-day transaction in Thailand. Paying with QR codes in Thailand. QR codes are everywhere in Thailand, from street vendors, restaurants, market, or even big stores use them. However, most overseas bank apps don't work with these QR codes. To make it work, you need a local Thai bank account and their app. With that, you can scan the QR code and pay instantly, and there are no fees. So, QR codes are useful if you have Thai bank account. Transferring money to a Thai bank account. If you need to transfer money to a local Thai bank account, there are 2 easy ways. First, you can use Swift wire transfer from global banks by obtaining the recipient account number and bank name along with bank Swift code. Or you can use Wise for a quick way to transfer funds from your Wise account to Thai bank account within minutes. This option offers flexibility for every situation, such as renting a condo or making significant purchase. Getting a Thai bank account, the process and challenges. Getting a Thai bank account has become a bit tricky. Usually, you need a long-term visa, yet some banks might be nice and let you open account without long-term visa if you're polite and persistent. However, they might ask you to buy insurance or meet other conditions. Even though it's a bit tough, having a Thai bank account is really helpful for handling money well in the country. So, if you are patient and follow the rules, you can enjoy the benefits of having your own Thai bank account. If you need help to open the bank account in Thailand, simply click the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful content, make sure to subscribe to the Thai Kru channel. Stay tuned for more useful information in the future. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ